Right, we'll see how Garrett Ace400i gets on. On off switch. I tend to run these in relic mode with iron audio on. With some full sensitivity at the moment, probably just drop it back one. There we go. Right, let's just run it over nails first. The crackle coming in from the nails as it rejects them. Right then, first target is a 20-inch long gold chain, 1 inch deep, rolled into a ball. Get that with a good signal. 5-inch long gold chain, 1 inch deep. Yes, sir. Small Roman bronze, 3 inches. Yes, sir. Pewter button, 4 inches. Pewter button, 6 inches. Nope. Right, onto the Galena. Right, have a look at the coke, see where that comes in on the record scale. About the mid-50s there. And iron cord 2 pence. Jumping around a bit, but that's probably because it's a piece of iron with a very small copper coating. Brown bottle top. Reading's a bit low, but it's all over the place. Iron low conductive coins, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. Well, it's not telling me there's 2 targets down the hole, but obviously it's a diggable one. Low and high conductive coins, 3 inches deep, 1 inch apart. There, I can tell there's 2 coins there near the surface, but I can't tell the 2 different conductivity levels. 20 pence and ring pull. Ring pull first. 77 and 20 pence. 77. We can't split those up. High conductive coin, low conductive coin with a staple, an iron staple in the middle. Telling me there's 2 items there and a piece of iron, but it isn't telling me one of them's low conductive. Right, we go on to the low conductive targets. 5 pence at 4 inches. 5 pence 4 inches on edge. Across it, and now we go down the lengthways. 5 inch 5 pence. 5 inch on edge. No, it doesn't like that. 6 inch 5 pence. 7 inch. 8 inch. Yeah, we're going to get a sort of one-way beep now, getting out of its range there. Right then, cut quarter 2 inches. No problem there, 4 inches. Nope. Right, high conductive coin. George said 6 inches. 7 inches. 8 inches. Right, that's on its course. 5 inches on edge. Nope. Cartwheel penny at 8 inches. That sounds on its the edge of its ability. 9 inch cartwheel penny. Yep. Right then, large musket ball, 4 inches. 7 inches. Bottle, 6 inches. Now I don't know why that does that, because there's no iron there whatsoever. I've tested it with about half a dozen other detectors. Some more bottle 8 inches. Fibula 3 inches. The iron noise you can hear in the background. There's no iron there, it's just on its edge of ability basically, so it's not recognising it as non-ferrous. It doesn't quite know what it is, so it's giving both signals. Fibula 5 inches. Same as that one now, just getting the iron tone because it's out of its range. That works with most detectors. Right, silver coins. This is your silver threepenny bit at 6 inches. It seems anything that's out of range suddenly it doesn't know what it is, so it's identifying as iron, which sixpence at 7 inches. Shilling at 8 inches. Hammered medieval penny 6 inches. Right, got that one. Hammered threepenny bit at 8 inches. Nearly. Yeah, I'll get it that. Right, onto the iron targets. Horseshoe 6 inches. Large iron bottle 6 inches. 20 pence 8 inches deep and 3 nails directly on top of it. I'll get it that. It's also seeing the iron, so it's giving 2 different signals there. Same again, only this time the nails are 4 inches above the coin. Half penny 6 inches, peak on the surface. Well, the piece of coat we went over earlier was coming in the 50, so that's obviously what it's getting. Rusty pen knife, 6 inches. No problem. Horseshoe 2 inches, 20 pence at 6 inches. I think it's only seeing the horseshoe there. It's one of those next signals that you probably think is iron, but you probably might dig if you're desperate. Horseshoe 6 inches, 20 pence, 2 inches. That's the rolls reversed, just getting a 20 pence quite easily. 6 half pennies stacked on top of each other, 11 inches deep. Nope. 100 mixed coins, 20 inches deep in a pot. 6 half pennies on edge, 2 inches deep in a row. There's one of those mixed signals again. And the other way. Gets that easy enough. I think that was Garrett. I just don't like that donging noise, it drives me mad. But each to his own. Well, that was a short video, wasn't it? Nothing to write home about there, but not going to knock the 400i because it's a very good detector actually when it's got a decent coil on it. The only reason it's this bad is because it's fitted with the 9 by 6.5 inch concentric coil. Concentric coils are fairly useless, yet all detectors used to be fitted with them years ago. Next 400i I get in and I'll test it with a proper coil, which is the one it normally comes with, the 11 by 8 DD coil. I've tried one of these in the past as well with a Nell coil and it was very, very good. So if you intend to use one of these in the future or buy one, then make sure it hasn't got the concentric coil on it. I was just a bit baffled really why it wasn't a lot better on the high conductive targets. You would have thought it would have been better on those than the low conductive targets, but no logic to that one really. Anyway, I shall be back very shortly with another video no doubt, so thanks for watching and bye for now.